What uses are there for basil flowers? I have tons of basil in my herb spiral. However, this stuff is precious, and I always feel bad when I throw away the basil flowers when I make pesto sauce. Is there a way to use the basil flowers when cooking?
If you pinch off the basil flowers as they start to grow, the plant will produce more leaves. Yes, this is a horticultural answer, but it will help you make more yummy dishes with the leaves. If you wanted to use them in cooking, I would recommend putting them in a sachet, a small pouch made of cheesecloth, muslin tied with cooking twine, as I know some people who don't actually like to eat the flowers, but enjoy the bitter tang they'll add to a dish. They are edible, however, so if it turns out you like them, they make a beautiful garnish for a salad. I'm not a huge fan, so I generally stick with Martha's suggestion and keep them pinched so the plant produces more leaves. Once the flowers appear, the plant's energy and resources become more dedicated to flowering, and the leaf growth suffers. As mentioned in my comment on Martha's answer, I find that when the leaf growth suffers, the flavor of the leaves suffers as well. This site, see link 1, recommends putting the basil flowers in olive oil, shaking, and leaving on a windowsill for a month to make a light basil olive oil. I've never tried this, and I'm interested, though I'm a little wary of leaving olive oil in a clear container in the sun for a month. The general idea seems cool, though.